So on these IFS Tritons, the ratio of the suspension is over 2 to 1. So that means for say every 10 mil at the shock, you're getting almost 22 mil at the wheel. And when you're setting these up, they do lack droop travel. So the full droop measurement is in the 500s when they're factory. So if you've got a factory upper control arm with a lift shock, we actually do a thinner bump stop, and they come with a series of shims so you can gain droop travel and also adjust it so you keep a good clearance between your shock and upper control arm. So this one actually wasn't set up properly because you can see the arm has been eating the shock alive. What it's important to have is obviously not getting excessive lifts, so do not overspec your spring, because if it's a little bit overspec because of that ratio, you're going to gain a lot more lift. In this case, this vehicle was bang on the hub to guard, so fitted the shock with the factory spring seat height, droop stop in there, hub to guard, and made sure that we've got a gain of droop travel but not to the point we've got a plunge and bind issue. And then we've done an alignment and got the caster and camber in spec, and that's very important on these because of how short this arm is, that if you try and run 5 degrees of caster, because the shock mounts off it, it will bring it very close to this arm. So it does say do not worry, get your alignment in spec before you tighten it all up.